There are some powerful truths out
Jesus.
there about him that he
Inside
doesn't want
beliefs.
his followers to believe. Those truths like the Mueller investigation, for example. So when little truth like this, which Democrats have done all
Don't blind it. Hate that light of
Oh,
light.
let's look at
That
it.
light's bright.
That's why he attacks the press. It's not that they don't like the truth. It's that he doesn't like the truth. That your job is actually to be faithful to facts. And his job is to deny facts so that at least some portion of America, not the majority, but some small portion, will stand by him as he proudly brags, even if he's trying to run for that. And I think that's exactly what's happening. We're watching in real time.
I want to go down there.
Classic demagogues
Here, Kiki.
strategy to attack the truth.
Go ahead, just pick it up, Nate. I don't want to piss your shit on the clothes.